Hi guys, it's me, and I'm in the water. Anyway, let's watch it. Now, one tip of the day is never go in water if you see leeches, especially sewer water. Never.
Especially sewer water. Never go in sewer water, period.
How far out you going? Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay, go play in the water, Erilyn. This is not a YouTube channel.
Go through knees. Go out of the way.
Nobody let me see these. Did I just photobomb the video?
It's okay. I'm just trying to take a video of you guys playing.
Yeah.
I don't know why you're putting it in your pocket. They're not going to fall out.
So my pants are so heavy. In the middle of the thing, my pants
Don't be
just fall
throwing
down.
rocks.
I would jump out super far. And my feet were hurt so hard. Getting hurt.
Oh.
Oh. Look at this. I want to keep it. Oh. I'm going to play with my shoes. I'm going to wear my shoes in there. Can I do that? I'm going to go back.
Hi, Killian.
Hi. Can I do that? My shoes just fly off when we're walking.
Think so?
Yeah. So can I? I don't have socks. Oh, I finally got the water.
This doesn't. Just do what you need to do.
I'm about to get all. I'm about to go walk in it anyways.
Come on.
I got it. Good time to skip a walk with him. No, Daddy, no shit. Daddy said no more throwing rocks.
You're going to have rocks in there. They're on your feet. Just come on.
I want to say hi to Bob.
Don't go down too far.
Other foot. Wrong foot.
What, Mommy?
Don't go down too far. You'll slip into like 6 foot of water.
Hi.
It's not videoing.
Oh,
Yes, it is.
Hi. Ah, the sun. Whoa.
The sun? Are you a vampire?
Where you're going?
The sun has me. Aaron, come on. I'm a vampire. Come on, Aaron. Come on, Aaron. 6 feet. It's about 3 feet.
No, that's very deep over there, and the rocks just started sliding out from underneath Mommy's feet. Look, it just keeps going farther. Look.
Is this a good rock?
Look, it's way far down there.
Let me ask the video. I want to ask the video. Is this a good rock? Comment down below. Just put your
There is no comment down below, Erilyn.
Caroline, nope.
She really wants a YouTube channel. It's not gonna happen with this mama.
Just put your hands
So
in.
you want to put them on so you can walk out there, walk out there.
I almost want to put my face in it.
Oh, you're kicking me.
No, you're not.
No then.
No.
Okay, we're going. Come.
No. Dad's trying to push me in the water. Your feet are sunken. Oh, here. Ah! Alright. I don't care.
Killian.
Why are my feet really hot now? Why are they hot?
There we go, go.
I'm gonna get hot. I
I told you he was going to rock, but he just kept going, so I couldn't get him in the water.
Give me that. It's so deep. It's so good. And God, look how far I went down. Come on. It's a fun.
No big rocks, Killian.
I came to end.
No, you don't put it in. I told you that you're gonna slide on the rocks down there. They're kicking up all the mud.
I know, so you guys are making it all dirty in there.
Aaron, take off your glasses. No!
I'm gonna walk over to the non-muddy water.
Yeah, come on.
Hey. You're done. No more. You're done. No playing.
I'm slipping.
No. This is supposed to be more off.
Yeah, but yours is down there. Look how mine is.